Do you feel like you never learned any solid rules for how to manage money when you were growing up? Most of us don't. Handling finances isn't really taught in school. But in this video, I'm going to lay out 15 powerful rules for making, saving, investing, and spending money wisely. These are the core principles that millionaires and financially independent people follow. Mastering these rules will set you up for financial security and success, no matter your income level or background. You'll learn how to make the most of the money you have and build long-term wealth over time. So let's get started with the first rule of money. Rule number 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. The first rule of money is to realize that money is not an end in itself, but a means to an end. Money is a tool that can help you achieve your goals, whether they are personal, professional, or social. Money can buy you things, but it can't buy you happiness, fulfillment, or meaning. So don't make money your ultimate goal, but rather use it as a tool to pursue your true passions and purposes in life. The second rule of money is to understand that money follows value. How do you make money? By providing value to others. Value is anything that solves a problem, fulfills a need, satisfies a desire, or creates a positive change for someone else. The more value you provide, the more money you can make. That's why you should always focus on creating value first before thinking about making money. Don't ask yourself, how can I make more money, but rather, how can I provide more value? The money will follow naturally as a result of the value you create. The third rule of money is to recognize that money has a price. Nothing is free in life, everything has a price, and money is no exception. The cost of money is the time, energy, and resources that you have to spend to earn it. For example, if you work at a job that pays you $20 per hour, then every hour of your life is worth $20. Is that a fair trade? Are you happy with that? Or do you think your time is worth more than that? The cost of money also includes the opportunity cost, which is what you give up when you choose one option over another. For example, if you invest your money in a low-risk but low-return asset, then you are giving up the potential higher returns of a higher-risk but higher-return asset. Or if you spend your money on something that doesn't bring you long-term value, then you are giving up the opportunity to save or invest it for something better in the future. The fourth rule of money is to realize that money loves speed. Another mistake that most people make with their money is that they procrastinate or hesitate when it comes to making decisions or taking action. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect opportunity, the perfect plan, or the perfect partner. But guess what? There is no such thing as perfect in life. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss, the more money you lose, and the more competition you face. Money loves speed because speed creates momentum, momentum creates results, and results create more money. So don't be afraid to act fast when you see an opportunity or have an idea. Don't let fear or doubt stop you from taking action. Just do it and learn from it. The fifth rule of money is to understand that money grows with time. One of the most powerful concepts in finance is compound interest. Compound interest is when your money earns interest on itself, and then that interest earns interest on itself, and so on. This way, your money grows exponentially over time without you having to do anything. For example, if you invest $10,000 at a 10% annual interest rate, then after 10 years you will have $25,900. After 20 years, you will have $67,000. After 30 years, you will have $174,000. And after 40 years, your money tree is now a forest and it guards $450,000. Rule number 6, pay yourself first. What does this mean? It means that before you spend any money on anything else, you should set aside a portion of your income for yourself. This is your savings, your emergency fund, your retirement fund, or whatever you want to call it. Why is this important? Because by paying yourself first, you are prioritizing your financial future and creating a habit of saving. How much should you pay yourself? Well, that depends on your goals and your situation, but a good rule of thumb is to save at least 10% of your income every month. Rule number 7, money requires management. Another mistake that most people make with their money is that they don't manage it properly. They don't track their income and expenses, they don't budget their money, they don't save for emergencies or goals, they don't pay themselves first, they don't pay off their debts, they don't review their financial statements. They don't plan for their future. They don't educate themselves on financial matters. And they don't seek professional advice when needed. They just let their money control them, instead of controlling their money. Money requires management because money is like a garden. If you neglect it, it will wither. If you nurture it, it will grow and flourish. Rule number 8, spend less than you earn. This sounds obvious, but many people fail to follow this simple rule. They spend more than they make, and they end up in bad debt. Bad debt is the enemy of wealth because it eats up your income with interest and fees, and it prevents you from investing and growing your money. How can you spend less than you earn? Well, there are two ways: either increase your income or decrease your expenses. Ideally, you should do both. Look for ways to earn more money, such as getting a raise, starting a side hustle, or creating a passive income stream. And look for ways to cut down your expenses, such as budgeting, tracking your spending, and living below your means. Rule number 9, make your money work for you. It means that instead of letting your money sit idle in a bank account or under your mattress, you should put it to work by investing it in assets that generate income or appreciate in value over time. These assets could be stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses, or anything else that has the potential to grow your wealth. Why is this important? Because by investing your money, you are taking advantage of the power of compounding, which is the process of earning interest on your interest. This way, your money grows exponentially over time, and you can achieve financial freedom faster. Rule number 10, diversify your income sources. Instead of relying on one source of income, such as your job, you should have multiple sources of income that come from different places and different industries. Why is this important? Because by diversifying your income sources, you are reducing your risk and increasing your stability. If one source of income dries up or disappears, you still have other sources to fall back on. You also have more opportunities to grow your income and reach your financial goals. Rule number 11, learn from the best. What does this mean? It means that instead of trying to figure out everything by yourself or following the advice of people who don't know what they are talking about, you should learn from the best people in their fields who have achieved what you want to achieve. Why is this important? Because by learning from the best, you are shortening your learning curve and avoiding costly mistakes. You are also getting inspired and motivated by their success stories and their wisdom. Rule number 12, set SMART goals that are specific. This means your goals should be clear and well-defined. Be something like, I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising for 30 minutes 5 times a week and cutting out sugary snacks. Measurable. This means your goal should be quantifiable. You should be able to track your progress and know when you've achieved it. Achievable. Your goal should be realistic and attainable. Relevant. Your goal should be aligned with your overall objectives and priorities. It should be something that truly matters to you. Time-bound. Your goal should have a deadline. Without a time frame, it's easy to procrastinate and lose focus. Why is this important? Because by setting SMART goals, you are giving yourself a clear direction, a way to track your progress, and a motivation to take action. Rule number 13, review and adjust. What does this mean? It means that instead of sticking to your plan blindly or ignoring the feedback from the market, you should review and adjust your plan regularly based on your performance and the changing circumstances. Why is this important? Because by reviewing and adjusting your plan, you are keeping yourself on track, optimizing your results, and adapting to the new opportunities and challenges. Rule number 14, learn from your mistakes. It means that instead of dwelling on your failures or blaming others for them, you should learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Why is this important? Because by learning from your mistakes, you are avoiding repeating them, overcoming your weaknesses, and developing your strengths. Rule number 15, enjoy the journey. What does this mean? It means that instead of focusing only on the destination or the outcome of your financial journey, you should enjoy the journey itself and the process of becoming wealthy. Why is this important? Because by enjoying the journey, you are living in the present, appreciating what you have, and having fun along the way. These are the 15 rules of money that every wealthy person follows. If you follow them too, you will be well on your way to financial success and freedom. I hope you found this video helpful and valuable. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment below and let me know which rule resonated with you the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.